Okay, so in this program we're going to use two parallel arrays again. An array with the hours worked and the hourly pay rates. And in the first for loop we're going to let the user enter the hours and the pay rate for each employee. And in the second for loop we calculate the pay from the two arrays in parallel. Now we're not going to run this with input. We just put the size of the array right over here at the global level. And notice that we have over here two arrays with the same size. Both doubles, one with the hours, one with the pay rate. And then we also need a double for the gross pay after we calculate that, and we can put it in the output. So the first thing is we get the hours worked and hourly pay rate of this number of employees. And then over here we run a for loop going up to the number of employees but not including, because we start counting at 0 here. So in each time of the loop we ask for both the hours and the pay rate. So they're stored in parallel. Then we're going to calculate the gross pay. We tell the user that we're going to show the gross pay for each employee, and that's just going to be by number. And we run over here our for loop, and we go again up to the number of employees but not including, because we start counting at 0. We calculate the gross pay by multiplying the hours with the pay rate at each specific index. And then we print out over here employee number and the index, and then over here the gross pay. Now, if anybody sees any problem with this, think about what the problem would be with this program. Hadn't even noticed it myself so far. Okay, so let's run this. And I'm just going to add 1 and 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 1. Okay, so look at this. We have over here hours worked by employee number 1. But over here the gross pay starts at employee 0. We go over here up to employee number 5. But here we only go up to employee number 4. So why is this happening? Over here we have properly index +1 in the cout statement. But then when we go to the next one, in the cout statement, we forget to increase the index by 1. Oh, wasn't looking here. Employee index +1. And now when we run this again, we have the proper employee number over here, 1 through 5. So didn't even notice it myself. That's how easy these things slip past you.